about to push the start button. Alright, see if it does something. There we go. Alright. So fucking nervous right now. Turn the fuel pump. Oh, my button fell apart. Hold on. Alright, gas is going through. Oh, she started. God damn it, we forgot to plug a hole. Oh. At least it started, hey! It's like a 90-degree angle and oil just started spewing out of there, so not too sure what that's for, but I got it fixed. So, let's try to start this thing one more time. Oh, probably a couple more times. Alright, we're gonna turn the HEI on. Runs good, it's a bit of a high idle, but holy fuck, dude, it actually runs. It runs. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is for Facebook. Turn the fuel on. Is this on? It runs. 2, 1. Uh-oh. Fuel pump back on. That's what I did. I'm not sure on the high idle right now. Here's my button. So, put the switch. It'll be alright. Oh. Uh-oh. Huh. Oh, it'd help. I forgot to plug a spark plug in. That motherfucker's probably hot as shit. Alright, let me plug this in. Alright, see why it didn't start. Hopefully this fucker don't just blow up. I'd be pissed. Oh, not sure what's going on now. Huh. Anyways, hey, it starts. First time putting an engine in. Something that's not supposed to be. Like, did a whole engine swap, trans swap. And you're gonna miss something. So, at least I missed one thing. Actually, I missed two things. I forgot to plug in this cylinder. What cylinder is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I forgot to plug in cylinder 6. So that's why I was kind of running shitty. I have the idle up too high. Got to adjust it just a little bit more. Oil started spewing out of there. But for fuck's sake, it finally runs. Oh my god. Dream come true. It runs. Now I gotta mock up a radiator, put a radiator all in there, hook the drive shaft up. Oh God, I can't even explain how happy I am. This is like literally the greatest moment in my life.